Right, commercial job done. We've now got 3 jobs here. I've got a job behind me, opposite the road, which is right now behind me, and then we've got one, which is a bungalow just over there. Yeah, you probably see Matthew and Sophie, they're gonna work on the bungalow, work on the house behind me while I'm working on this big house to my front. It's got a massive conservatory roof on the back, and I mean massive, that's gonna hurt my arm, especially after yesterday with the gutter clears and fascia softs and gutters. And basically we all team up in the last house. Matthew, Sophie and me have put all ladders out in place because I've got my step ladders and my big ladders, I need them. All right, I'm down this tight space here by the conservatory roof. So I've got my step ladder in place, and then basically I'm going to clean some windows above and then the roof on this part of the conservatory roof. So these are the 3 windows I'm going to get from on top of this step ladder. And then this is the conservatory roof. As you can see, it's quite long. And I'll be doing this side first. I'll hit the other side when I get around to the back end of the conservatory there, because I can't go from the other side. You'll see later, it's against another small extension building with a pitched roof coming out. So it's an arm burner. Right, that's those 3 done. It's hour and 10 minutes, altogether £110. So it's worth doing it that way, although you probably noticed by the time I've done that conservatory, Matthew and Sophie have done that house and a bungalow and done the front part of the house and down the side of the one I'm cleaning with that conservatory.
That's a bit of a slow coach, aren't you, really?
Slow coach, flipping arms are flipping killing me. Yeah, but anyway, it's all done. It's all worth it in the end, but it's hard work. That's the advantage where 3 of us working together from one van. We can split up and do like a multitasking. Whereas if we was 3 separate vans out on the road, that wouldn't have worked out like that. So there's pros and cons, and I can't afford 3 vans on the road neither, can we? So it's the way it is for us. Although I do agree, two vans out would be better than 1 van with a team of 3 in it, but that's the way we have to work because I can't afford another van on the road. So that's why we do it, and you do what you do to make it work, don't you?
Yeah.
But we've been since this morning, what's that? An hour and 50 minutes and £146. So for us, that's good going. We're now going somewhere, not far around the corner, isn't it? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, we're going to a cul-de-sac where we've got 4 houses. They're big as well. And in one of them, we have the part of the cul-de-sac, we're able to have the van in one place, aren't we? And then fan out from there. Right, so that's just popped home. Just going to refill up. We're going to stop for lunch. It's about 11:30, well, 11:45. We've finished those 3 houses. Excuse all the traffic going past my house. We cleaned those particular 3 houses by 11:30. That's what time it was, sorry. That's us done. Stopping for lunch, and then we've got 9 more cleans left for this afternoon and £145 left. So hopefully we'll fly through those. We've arrived here. There's 2 properties to clean. One we do the front only. I've forgotten what type of houses you call them. Like terraced houses, that's what they are. We do one on the front only. One we do the front only as well most of the time, but if the back's unlocked, we do the back and then charge him. There's 2 top windows and a conservatory at the back. But obviously the problem is getting to them, which is what you'll see in my next clip. So I've swapped with my daughter Sophie. I've got the 45-litre trolley and I'm making my way round to the back of one of the properties we need to get to. You can see it's a bit of a trek round, and then round the back as well there's lots of stinging nettles and it's overgrown. In the summertime that's great when you're wearing your shorts. And then when you get in through the back anyway, you can see I've got a conservatory and 2 top windows. The windows are easy enough to get to, and on the conservatory it's all right doing that except for the sides because it's really narrow. So you can see me here doing the sides of the conservatory, and I just do the best I can really. Customers aware of that it's not going to be 100% perfect, and they weren't even expecting me to clean that bit anyway, but me being me said I'll do it, so I'll do it. It's a customer of mine and this is her son, so that's why I'm doing it. And yeah, and also here we've got Matthew and Sophie working at the front of the next property as well, and they did the front of the second property while I was around doing the back, and that's how we did it. All right, 4:20 done. We've done all 17 cleans, everything done for 421. That's good for us. Plus we've had to go home as well. We've had lunch, bombed up and come back out. So I'm happy with that. All right, well that's us done anyway. And we're now off home. And then I've got to cook the chicken chow mein. It'll be good. They honestly like it. All right, cheers. See you later.